Good morning, madam, and all of my friends. We are from Group 2, and the members of Group 2 are myself, Alice Murray, Usna, Karin, Azaha, Aisha, Arthur, and also Lydia. We chose Maybank as the bank of our choice to compare with. Maybank, which is also known as Malayan Banking Berhad, was started in 1960, and it is known as the largest bank and financial group. This bank was first started in Kuala Lumpur on September 12 in 1960. Meanwhile, the first overseas bank was opened in Brunei and a few branches in Singapore, followed by a bank at Hong Kong and also at London in 1962. This bank provides a few scope of products and services that includes trustee services, commercial banking, investment banking, leasing and hire purchase, Islamic banking, offshore banking, factoring, asset management, insurance, venture capital, and internet banking. The vision of Maybank is to advance Asia's ambition with a society, and the mission is that this bank wants to humanize services that are financial by supplying access to financing, providing a reasonable price, giving advices to customers, and also to be the heart of the community. So now I'll pass to the next presenter.
Hi, I am Karin Anadasan with matric number 65589. So I'm going to present on our part, which is the types of service provided by the Maybank that allow the company to obtain funds or to hedge risk. The first service are Penjana SME Financing, which is PSF.
This service may allow a local SME that is affected by COVID-19 to obtain funds. This service mainly for all Malaysian-controlled and Malaysian-owned SME that are registered with Companies Commission of Malaysia, which is SSM, in Sabah and Sarawak, for professional service providers which are adversely affected by the pandemic. This financing is for working capital finance, which is used to fund the company's investment in short-term assets, including account receivable and inventory, as well as provide liquidity in funding company's operation. This service is very extremely beneficial to any company to obtain funds to recover their expenses which has been affected by the pandemic of COVID-19. The quantum finance for the service is from the minimum value at 20,000 ringgit and the maximum is up to 250,000 ringgit Malaysia. The tenure of the finance is 5 years with 3.5% of effective rate per annum.
Secondly, Maybank SME Digital Financing.
Maybank SME Digital Financing is other service offered by the institution to both Maybank and non-Maybank customers who are sole proprietors, partnership or private limited companies with less than 25 million annual turnover, less than 5 million outstanding loan or financing with Maybank, a Malaysian-owned registered company and operate more than 1 year. Maybank provide terms loan or community murabah term financing between 10,000 ringgit to 250,000 ringgit in this service and tenure up to 5 years. There is an Islamic value proportion included in this service, which is a Sharia-compliant financing based on the principle of community murabah to save more on financing, protect ceiling rate in bank, sale price, no lock-in period, early settlement fee or exit penalty upon early settlement. So these are the benefits of using these services. This service is a good option for any registered Malaysian-owned company that willing to apply and getting the benefit.
Next will be continued by my friend Arthur.
The third service provided by Maybank is BizPlus. It is a service available to sole proprietor, partnership, and private limited company which business are operated for at least 3 years with a minimum 2 years relationship with Maybank or minimum 3 years with other financial institution. This is for the purpose of supplying funds on working capital of the company that are applying this service. Besides that, the facilities provided in the service are overdraft, trade facilities, and short-term revolving credit, which can be extremely beneficial for business that needed extra funds for the operation to be working continuously. The fourth service is corporate current account. This is also one of the services that provided by Maybank mainly for registered companies, business, association, club, society and cooperative. However, there are fees and charges for eligible customers to have this service. The service fee is 10 ringgit per half year, exclude for accounts with monthly average balance 1,000 ringgit and above within 6 months period. Fifth and the final service provided by Maybank is professional business loans. Firms or companies that have registered with respective professional bodies are applicable for applying professional business loans to obtain funds for working capital finance. Besides that, this service also provides overdraft or cash line for the customers. The customers can get loans and financing quantum based on types of business, where private limited company or partnership business may obtain to 200,000, while sole proprietorship may obtain up to 100,000. In addition, there is security required, which is joint and several guarantee from all directors, and it is applicable only for private limited company with term and condition applied.
First account is a business current account Mudharabah investment account that comes with additional solution to meet your company needs. For the status, SME First account gives us the option of a conventional or Islamic current account, as well as an online hub to help us to manage our finance at any time. There are two options that we can choose, which is between traditional and Sharia compliance accounts, both with the convenience of online or in-person submissions, a checkbook, and e-statement capabilities. We also can choose accounts that suit what we need, namely by SME First account, SME First account I, and SME First investment account I. The SME First account is conventional current account that offers ultimate flexibility. SME First account I is a Sharia compliance current account based on principle of Wadiyah Yad Damanah that is guarantees safekeeping. And lastly is SME First investment account I is a Sharia compliant investment account based on the principle of Mudharabah, that is profit sharing. Dividend is calculated daily and credited on monthly basis. Business, a company depends on a current account that starts with a deposit as little as 1,000 for a business. Maybank to You business online banking platform allows you to safely manage your account and transaction from anywhere at any time and enjoy unlimited withdrawal at your home branch. Aside from that, add-on solutions are available to help you maximize the potential of your SME First account, such as Maybank to You business online bulk payment, merchant of sales POS, commercial credit cards, overseas fund transfer, loan and financing. Lastly is life protection plan. Maybank to You business also allows you to pay your employees' legislative contributions online. This includes fees to the KWSP, EPF, LHDN, Pekeso, Fosokso, and EIS, among others. To get started, simply enter your employee information and register with a few legislative bodies for a one-time only. Once you will be accepted, you'll be able to make monthly statutory contribution payments online. The second category, you'll be able to make monthly statutory contribution payments online. The second category is commercial credit cards. When you pay with Maybank commercial credit cards, you can receive cash rebates and risk miles, and exclusive incentive on your business expenses, as well as 0% interest installment plan on the purchases.
A conventional current account that allows for maximum bundling, versatility, and is secured by the PIDM up to Rm250,000 per depositor. Any unplanned temporary access in any Islam account due to the sum advanced by the bank is considered as a loan. given by the bank to the account holder where permitted. Regarding the charge and the fees, the service fee is Rm10 per 6 months, but it's waived for account with an average balance of Rm1000 in that period. If you close your account within 3 months of opening it, you will be charged Rm20. Okay, for our company, the SME First account is our best option that provide good financing to our business. We choose SME First account is because they provide financing solution to assist our company in acquiring the asset it requires. We only look into SME Clean Loan, a non-collateral loan to increase our company working capital. Not only that, they also provide insurance for key personnel and employees to protect our company. SME First account is also intended to increase our company's working capital by providing quick cash with no collateral required, ensuring they will never miss out on business opportunity.
My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Arifin, matrix number 66656. In this video, I will explain about the services from Maybank that could hedge our company exposure to risk. The service that I want to talk is about Maybank's multi-currency Lombard credit. I will divide it into 3 parts. The first part, I will talk about what is Maybank multi-currency Lombard credit. Then the exemplification on how it can be reinvested into to maximize return. And lastly is the risk that our company faces with Lombard credit, as well as method to mitigating those risks. Lombard credit are granted in exchange for a collateral guarantee which can be easily converted into liquidity such as equity, liabilities, or even cash life insurance. Our company will borrow to some extent of the market value of secure asset. Our company can secure loans in 8 major currency, which make the solution very flexible, does not need to replace the foreign currency with its ringgit. The capacity of our business to borrow and invest in foreign currency allow it to safeguard itself if the gap fall in value. This can lead to liquidity problems, which can significantly increase the performance of their wealth portfolio. Then the second part is exemplification on how it can be reinvested to maximize returns. Most foreign currency loans have lower rates of interest than ringgit loans. Assuming that our company borrow in euros and pay a 1.6% annual interest rate, our business will ringgit euros and receive a 3.6% annual rate. This provides us with a favorable 2% contribution that occur when the interest rate received by shareholder in one currency are higher than those paid in another. It's occur when the interest that investors receive in one currency is more than what he paid to borrow in another currency. The last part is the risk that our company faces with Lombard credit, as well as method to mitigating those risks. Our main risk is loss, whether the interest rate of our loan increase or favorable condition affected our promised asset cause a loan holder such as Maybank to change its value. The other risk to our company could relate to the type of investment made with the Lombard credit facility, the rising interest rate on our loan, currency shift, concentration risk, default risk, liquidity risk, counterparty risk, changes in credit to value risk, as well as the risk of the unforeseen events such as new legislation. By investing in safe haven assets such as high quality bond or treasury, our company will cut its exposure to risk. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Lydia Chundi with matric number 66468. The other service that could hedge our company from exposure to risk is interest rate swaps. Maybank use interest rate swap to manage their company interest rate risk. This transaction is a contract among two counterparties. The contract purposely to make an exchanging of interest rate payment, which is cash flows. The IRS allows the fixed rate asset and liability convert into a floating rate asset. In order for the company to reduce interest rate risk, Maybank enters IRS, in which the bank receives cash flows according to the floating interest rate and pays cash flows according to the fixed interest rate. There are some benefits of IRS, such as the ability to cover any changes of interest rates either downward or upward. IRS also do not have premium payment upfront. Markets tend to liquid in all currencies. The national amount, debt, and tenor are negotiable, and the principal hence are fixed, it can minimize the credit exposure. To hedge company from exposure to exchange rate risk, Maybank involved in service called currency swap. It is a transaction for two counterparties with different currencies exchange their equivalent amount of money with each other. Both parties able to loan money from each other, and they need to pay the amount within a specific exchange rate and date. Currency swaps also having its own benefits as well, which is hedge in a long-term foreign exchange risk, able to decrease the funding cost of foreign subsidiary or investment, and also able to help achieving a domestic cost of funds by exploit the smaller differences in price between capital market and foreign exchange. The last one is forward rate agreement. It also an interest rate derivative. It is a two parties contractual agreement purposely to fix the rate of interest on a specific national principal, more likely as loan or deposit at future period. It is used to hedge an asset and liability and used as a tool for investment, arbitraging, and trading. FRA also have its own benefit, such as no principal change hands, same like IRS.
So as a conclusion, SME First account is the best option to provide a good finance to our company because it is a business current account that comes with additional solution to meet a company's needs, where it provides financial solutions to assist a company in acquiring the assets it requires. Meanwhile, services that could hedge our company to risk are Maybank's multi-currency Lombard credit, interest rate swaps, currency swap, and forward rate agreement. So that's all from our group. Thank you.